my way to the office, and along EDSA, man, the traffic is so horrible. And also, it's a rainy day, so expecting to work this day. Anyway, for today, I want to teach you how to perform basic beatboxing using the 3 basic sounds used in vocal percussion. Alright, so the basic beatboxing is composed of 3 basic sounds. Number 1 is the bass or the kick drum, which sounds like this. The second sound is the hi-hat, which sounds like this. The third sound is the snare drum, which sounds like this. So we have the bass, the hi-hat, and the snare drum. Almost all beatboxing music is just a matter of arranging these 3 different types of basic sounds: bass, the hi-hat, and the snare. For example, alright? Before I show you how to arrange these 3 basic sounds, let me first demonstrate to you how these sounds are done. So sound number 1 is the bass drum or the kick drum. It's done by just pronouncing the letter B. B. But instead of saying the whole sound B, you only enunciate the first part of the word or the letter B. And you have to pronounce it in such a sharp manner and with much air or oscillation in your mouth. Right? Get it? So that's the first sound, the bass or the kick drum. The second sound is the hi-hat. This is the easiest of the 3 basic sounds. You only have to pronounce the letter T. T. But you only, like the bass drum, pronounce the first sound, the first part of the word with the letter T. That's it. So that's the hi-hat. And last but not the least, the third sound, which is the snare drum, is done by pronouncing the letter K. 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 But like the 2 previous sounds, just enunciate the first part. K. And also pronounce it in a very short manner. Now we have the 3 basic sounds: the bass, B, the hi-hat, T, and of course the snare, the letter K. Now, like I said a while ago, basic beatboxing or beatbox music in general is just a matter of arranging these 3 basic sounds: the bass, the hi-hat, and the snare. The bass, hi-hat, snare. A basic example of an arrangement is an 8-count beat using the following arrangement: bass, hi-hat, snare, then hi-hat. Bass, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. It sounds a little something like this. Get it? Alright. So you could also play with the tempo. Start out a little bit slow and then gradually building up speed, going to a fast tempo. Okay. My advice is first try to master the three basic beats, the three basic sounds, and then also try to practice this basic 8-count arrangement before going on to the more advanced arrangement and beatboxing technique. So all you gotta do is have a lot of patience and determination into producing those three basic sounds correctly: the bass, hi-hat, and the snare. And then you could play with it along the way in arranging it in limitless number of ways. Alright, so here's an example of a more advanced technique using just the three basic sounds in beatbox. Just keep on practicing, especially for those trying out beatboxing for the first time. Practice anywhere, while you're walking, while you're on the road, while you're out, while you're at home, while you're driving, even while you're in the bathroom taking a dump. So I hope you've learned a lot from this video. And damn, it's still raining and the traffic is still bad here at EDSA. Take me about another 30 minutes to go to the office. I'll see you guys around, alright? Thanks for watching this video.